So in order for the Galaxy S24 FE to be successful, it will depend on which CPU Samsung chooses to use and in which region we will see the Exynos and Snapdragon variants. And today we received news that a Galaxy S24 FE leak confirms the use of Exynos chipset in some regions. Samsung is getting ready to launch an affordable fan edition version of the popular Galaxy S24. Recently, there have been more leaks about the phone, with the latest one providing more evidence to support previous rumor about the device's chipset in the specific regions. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE just appeared on Geekbench with the model number, indicating it's a global version likely for Europe and India. The listing shows it will feature an Exynos 2400 processor.
No. 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 Hell no. 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 I refuse. No. No.
This suggests that the Exynos 2400 processor is likely to be used, as previous rumors have indicated that Samsung will use its own chipset for Europe and Qualcomm Snapdragon for US, similar to the Galaxy S23 FE. You may be wondering why Samsung chooses to use different chipsets. One reason could be that Samsung develops and manufactures its own chips in-house, which may reduce production cost compared to using Snapdragon processor from Qualcomm. This could be an important consideration for Samsung, especially in market where cost efficiency is important. Next, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE was tested on Geekbench database and it comes with a 8 GB of RAM. It is expected to be released with the Android 4 already installed along with Samsung's One UI interface. Moving on, recently rumors have pointed out that the Galaxy S24 FE will keep the same main camera as its predecessor. A new report from the Netherlands says that the Galaxy S24 FE may feature a 50 megapixel main camera with a 1 by 1.57 inches sensor size. This sensor is similar to the one found in the Galaxy S23, S23 FE and Galaxy S24. In other words, this has been Samsung's go-to high-end camera sensor for a while now, and the Galaxy S24 FE continues this tradition. While it may not be surprising given Samsung's habit of reusing technology, at least now you can expect no major changes in this area. According to speculations, the ultra-wide and zoom cameras will also remain the same as in the previous generations, the Galaxy S23 FE. In my opinion, this is normal because Samsung is providing a high-end CPU in the S24 FE if you believe the recent reports, making it the first fan edition phone to come with one. Therefore, it is understandable to cut down some specs in certain areas, which also affects the price. So what do you think of this S24 FE? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.